Good morning, students of grade 3rd. I am Khushi Dadij, your English teacher, and today we will continue with block 3. For that you have to take out this book. This is your workbook. It is of red color, volume 1. You can see here. Now take out page number 21, as you can see over here. Okay, page number 21, you can see here. S1 is this. S1, sequence of event. Okay, sequence of events. First of all, you have to put the date. You have to mention the date. What date is today? Okay, you have, after mentioning the date, we have to start with question number 1. Sequence of event means what? A story happens with some events. Okay, you have to put it in sequence. When you put in sequence, then only the story will be a proper story. Without sequence, it will not convey you a proper story. You will not understand what type of story it is, what is the beginning, what is the middle, and what is the end. Okay, for that sequence is necessary. Okay, question number 1. For when you have to understand the sequence of this story, that is sequence this story, that is the story is the blue kite. You can see in your content book, it is on page number 14. You can start on page number 14. The story is Blue Kite, written by Kavita Sharma. You will get a YouTube link. By that you will understand what kind of story it is. So watch it properly and understand it well. So for today we will start this work. Question number 1 is your answer the questions from the story The Blue Kite. On day 1 we have been asked the question answers. So your first question is, where does Zippy decide to go? Zippy is a kite, and where does it decide to go? Answer is, Zippy decides to go to China. Where Zippy decides to go? Zippy decides to go to China. Okay. Now question 2 is, what does Zippy see during her journey? When Zippy went to China, when he goes to China, then what did Zippy see during her journey? What Zippy see during her journey? When she went to China, what did she see during the journey? Zippy sees tall mountains and thick forests. If you can see, Zippy sees what Zippy sees. Zippy sees tall mountain and thick forest. She sees the pandas climbing the trees. Pandas are climbing the tree. She sees the deep blue sea. Deep blue sea. She sees the Great Wall of China. What she sees? She sees the Great Wall of China. In this way, when Zippy went to China, she goes to China. That time she saw many things that we have written here. Next question is, what do the dragon kite and butterfly kite says about Zippy? There are 2 kites mentioned in the story, dragon kite, butterfly kite. What do they says about Zippy? The dragon kite and butterfly kite say that Zippy looks beautiful. Both of them said like Zippy is beautiful. She looks beautiful. Okay. How does Zippy feel in the end? What happened in the end? What does she feel? Zippy feels in the end, Zippy feels proud of herself because everyone likes her. In the end, Zippy feels proud of herself because everyone likes her. Question number 2 is putting the things in correct order. If you see this one, put the event in correct order by numbering them. Okay, you have to number the sentences properly. 1. What 1 I have numbered? Some birds fly past Zippy. Okay, some birds fly past Zippy. Here I have numbered 1. Okay, Zippy hears them talking. This is number 2. Then what happened? She decides to go to China. Then she decides to go to China, and for that Zippy flies for many and many nights. Next what happened? She flies all over the mountain and thick forest. Then she finally flies over the deep blue sea. A huge yellow and dragon kite flies toward Zippy. Next what happened? All the kites admired Zippy. Then she feels proud of herself. In this way you can see all the sentence in your content book, and by that you can put number properly. You can put the sequence in correct order. Okay, this is the question number 2. Next, question number 3 is your list any 2 details from the story that are not important to the sequence of event. 2 details you have to write that are not important, means without it the story could be completed. Okay, question one is any they have so many different shapes. Added a goose. Chinese kites are the best. These are something that are not important. Okay, she is just a blue square kite. The kites in China must be so much better than me, she thinks. These are the 2 sentences that we have taken out from the content book, that without it the story could be completed. Okay, this is the work you have to do in your book, page number 21. Do it properly, understand it well. Good day.